Wow, friends, look at this. Here, lots of amazing, dirty plane and dirty cars. This is my collecting bucket, and here, lots of amazing, dirty plane, car, and vehicles. Wow. So let's start to collect the toy plane and vehicles. At first, guys, a big vehicles, wow, like rocket launcher, collect and put it here. And next, my friends, another big jet fighter plane, also collect and put it here. And next, a small plane. Wow, friends, look at this small plane, put it here. And next, my friends, another big truck. Wow, amazing, collect and put it here. And next, my friends, a racing car. Wow, friends, red color racing car, collect and put it here. And next, my friends, another big jet fighter plane. Wow, like yellow color jet plane. Wow, guys, collect and put it here. And next, another big racing car. Wow, also collect and put it here. And next, friends, a helicopter, fighter helicopter, also collect and put it here. And next, my friends, another jet plane. Wow, amazing, another jet plane, also collect and put it here. And next, a truck, mini truck. Wow, friends, amazing mini truck, collect and put it here. And last, my friends, a big plane. Wow, amazing big plane. Wow, also collect and put it here. So friends, here lots of amazing dirty plane and vehicles. Oh friends, water, amazing fresh water. At first, my friends, a big vehicles like fighter jet plane. After wash the fighter jet plane. Wow, friends, look at this. Wow, this is amazing army jet fighter plane. Wow. Put it down. And next, my friends, another helicopter. Wow, amazing fighter helicopter. After watch the helicopter. Wow, my friends, look at this. What is this, my friends? This is amazing a jet fighter helicopter. Wow. Put it down. And next, my friends, wow, another small jet plane. Wow, like yellow color jet plane. After watch the jet plane. Wow, friends, look at this. What is this? This is black and yellow color combination, super duper premium quality jet fighter plane. Put it down. And next, my friends, a red color racing car. Wow, amazing red color racing car. After watch the racing car. Wow, my friends, look at this. What is this, my friends? Wow, this is amazing red color super duper premium quality racing car. Wow, put it down. And next, my friends, another jet plane. Wow, amazing another jet fighter plane. After watch the jet plane. Oh, my friends, look at this. What is this, my friends? Wow, this is amazing super duper premium quality orange and black color combination fighter jet plane. Wow. Put it down. And next, my friends, wow, a mini truck. Wow, after watch the truck. Oh, my friends, look at this. Wow, this is amazing mini truck. Wow, put it here. And next, my friends, a small plane. Wow, amazing small plane. after watch the plane. Oh, my friends, look at this. Wow, friends, this is amazing white color combination, super duper premium quality, small plane. Wow. Shh. Put it down. And next, my friends, a big toys, dirty toys like rocket launcher. After watch the toy. Oh, my friends, look at this. What is this, my friends? Wow, this is amazing super duper premium quality rocket launcher. Shh. Put it down, my friends. And next, my friends, a big plane. Wow, amazing big plane. After watch the plane. Wow, friends, look at this. Wow, amazing blue color combination, super duper premium quality big aeroplane. Wow. Shh. Put it here, my friends. And next, a truck, dirty truck. After watch the truck. Wow, friends, look at this. What is this, my friends? This is amazing super duper premium quality truck vehicles. Wow, put it here. And next and last choice, a blue color vehicles. Wow, amazing blue color racing car. After watch the vehicles. Wow, friends, look at this. Yes, this is amazing super duper premium quality blue color racing car. Wow, friends, what is this? Oh, friends, this is also a robot. Wow, put it here. So friends, here are lots of amazing plane, toys and vehicles.